Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do division of polynomials. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to divide polynomials and solve the problems involving division of the polynomials. The division of the polynomial is same as dividing the numbers. The number which is to be divided is dividend, and by which we divide is divisor, and the answer of division is quotient, and the number which is left over is remainder in division of the numbers. And same goes for the division of the polynomials. The polynomial which is to be divided, which has highest power of variable, is dividend, and by which we divide is divisor. Here x plus 2 is divisor, and answer of the division is called quotient, and the leftover is remainder. Now here we have to divide x square plus x minus 6 by x minus 2. While dividing, we have to keep it in mind that the biggest power must be written first. The terms must be arranged. Now in the first step, take the first term of the dividend x square and the first term of the divisor x. So divide first term x square by x, we get x. Now multiply this x by your divisor x minus 2, we get x square minus 2x. Now put it here in your division sum, x square minus 2x, and next step is to subtract. So in subtraction, we have to change the signs of the second term. So this minus will change into plus. Here sign with x square is plus, so it will change into minus. So x square minus x square will cancel out, and plus x and plus 2x is 3x, and we will take the next digit in the division 3. Now we have 3x minus 6. Now in the next step, we have to take the first term 3x and divide by the first term x. So 3x over x, so x and x will cancel out, we get 3. Now multiply this 3 by x minus 2, we get 3x minus 6, and substitute it here, 3x minus 6. Now change the sign for subtraction. Plus 3 will change into minus 3x, and minus 6 will change into plus. So plus 3x and minus 3x will cancel out, minus 6 and plus 6 will cancel out, and our remainder is 0. Now to check this our division is correct or not, we can get our dividend x square plus x minus 6 by multiplying these two, x minus 2 into x plus 3, and by adding remainder. This is the way to check your answer. So division of the, this is the check for the division of the polynomial, that polynomial which is to be divided, your dividend is equals to divisor multiply the quotient plus remainder. Here we have another example, and here we have to divide x power 5 minus y power 5 by x minus 5, x minus y, and we have to take the first term of the dividend x power 5 divided by x. So x power 5 over x is equals to x power 4. Multiply by your divisor, we get x power 5 minus x power 4 into y, and put it here in your division sum. Now we will not substitute it under minus y power 5 because they are not like term. So we will leave some space here and write this term over here. So for subtraction, we will change the sign. Plus x power 5 will change into minus, and minus x power 4y will change into plus. So this will cancel out, and we will write x power 4y and the next term from the division sum minus y power 5. Now again we have to take this term, first term, in this step and divide by x. So x power 4 divided by y, x power 4 y over x is equals to x cube y. Multiply this by your divisor, we get x power 4y minus x cube y square. Substitute it here. Now for subtraction, again change the sign, these will cancel out, and we get x cube y square minus y power 5. Now again take the first term in this step and divide by x. We get x square y square. Multiply it by your divisor, we get x cube y square minus x square y cube. Again substitute here in your division sum, and after subtraction this will cancel out and we get x into y power 4 minus y power 5. And now for further division, take this term, the first term, and divide by x. We get y power 4. Multiply it by divisor. We get x into y power 4 minus y power 5. So substitute it here, for subtract them, and we get remainder is equals to 0. And you can check this as well by this formula. Now we will see a few word problems involving division of the polynomials. I'll be discussing one with you, and you have to solve it by the working of the division. I'll give you the hints to solve. The product of the polynomials, two polynomials is given. If one of the polynomial is 3y square minus y plus 1, find the other polynomial. So here product is given, one of the polynomial is given, and we have to find out the other polynomial. Students, keep this in your mind that whenever product is given, product of two polynomials is given and one of the polynomial is given, to find the other polynomial we have to divide. Whenever product is given, we have to divide to find out the missing polynomial. So the product will be your dividend, and one of the polynomial which is given will be divisor, and the quotient after division you will obtain will be your the other polynomial, the missing polynomial. Here we have two more word problems. What should be added to the polynomial 4x cube minus 10x square plus 12x plus 6 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 2x plus 1? Exactly divisible means there is no remainder, remainder is 0. So this given polynomial is not exactly divisible. So you have to divide and see what is the remainder. So by that remainder, you will get to know that what number should be added to this polynomial to make it exactly divisible. So you have to divide to check. And the other word problem is, for what value of p, polynomial 3x cube minus 7x square minus 9 plus p becomes exactly divisible by x minus 3. So you can check by dividing, and in the end when you will get a remainder, and you will get to know the value of p from there.